Let's be honest, nonprofit administration is hard work. When you're managing multiple funding sources to staff a variety of programs, it can be difficult to really know what your team is doing and how to report that work back to your funders. Meet ClickTime Nonprofit, a suite of timesheet and management features built exclusively for nonprofit organizations. ClickTime has been in the time entry business for over 20 years, and we've worked with hundreds of nonprofits, giving us unique insight into the specific time tracking needs that nonprofits require. Time entry is a snap with our easy-to-use web and mobile-based timesheets. ClickTime can be used to track both worked hours as well as time off. Your staff will be able to submit their timesheets for review by a manager who can approve or reject the hours, all within ClickTime. Once your hours are in ClickTime, you'll be able to use one of our 70+ out-of-the-box reports, including our nonprofit and functional expense-specific options, which allow you to see and share deep insights across the team. Worked hours and salary costs are all aggregated to show your funders exactly how their money translates into managing the organization and completing programs. Nonprofits can also take advantage of our top-notch planning and budgeting features, which allow you to set budgets, communicate expected hours to employees, and monitor progress across all teams. Take the guesswork out of logging hours and managing your budget with ClickTime Nonprofit, the only timesheet software designed for nonprofit organizations. Discounts start at 50% off, and our nonprofit time tracking experts will work with you to set your new account up for success. You'll be up and running in no time. Sign up for a free trial today and start empowering everyone on your team with ClickTime. Timesheets built exclusively for nonprofits.